Hey everyone, it's me, Joseph Peretz, and you're watching my video series on how to build an ADU garage conversion. What is the biggest mistake homeowners make when designing their doors and windows? Watch the entire video to find out. But before you install your doors and windows on your garage, you have to design your ADU. I have designed and built more than 50 ADUs in the past year, and I also do construction in the greater Los Angeles area. So if you have any questions at all about design, architectural, or construction, make sure to go to my website, josephperetz.com. It's linked down below, and it has a ton of information on ADUs for owners. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps a ton. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake homeowners make with their doors and windows. In this week's video, we'll be talking about the doors and windows for your ADU garage conversion. This garage is an existing 370 square feet. We are converting this garage into a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom ADU. Let's talk about the windows and doors for the ADU. So quickly, let's talk about the windows. We have exterior windows, of course, and windows, the best placement for the windows are obviously in the south. West and east are also really good options. We want to stay away from keeping big windows in the north if possible. But our windows come kind of in 3 types of materials. The first is vinyl, which we have installed. Then there's usually aluminum and clad. So make sure that you know what type of material you want in your windows in the planning stage of your project. Now, once we figure out the type of windows, we want to know where to buy these windows from. So for vinyl windows, we can get them usually off the counter at Home Depot or Lowe's, contractor warehouse. We usually don't need to get custom vinyl windows. Vinyl windows also come in black and white that are over the counter. Okay, so our windows are in. How do we get our windows in? The proper technique of getting your windows in is cutting the stucco. We want to save as much stucco as possible. So you got to cut the stucco with a saw. Make sure that you add a couple of inches for your framing. You see how we have perfect cuts and our ground is pretty clean compared to just taking a hammer and smashing the stucco. So that's your first tip. Second tip is to frame it out really nice. Make sure that you get the exact size and new framing. Even if you have an existing window, you want to make sure that you use new framing. Next thing we want to do is use flashing. Once we have flashing and caulking, we want to put in the window. We want to make sure that everything is really waterproof. Now remember that our stucco is going to come in right here close to our window. So make sure that your flashing is done correctly before the stucco guys come in. This is really important for framing inspection. You need to have your windows and doors for framing. Most inspectors will not pass you without windows and doors. So keep that in mind, everyone. If we talk about the doors really quick, this door is also over the counter. It's pre-hung and it's exterior door. So there's a difference between exterior door and interior door. Exterior door needs to be fire rated. So make sure that you're getting a steel door or a solid wood door. If we go into the interior, we'll talk. We have our interior doors. Now, interior doors, we have one for the bedroom and we have one for the bathroom. Now, we can talk about regular doors, swinging doors, or pocket doors. I am a big fan of swinging doors. I think pocket doors get damaged really quick, but if you do want pocket doors, make sure to install it during rough and make sure to buy the pocket door in full. When you talk about swinging doors, it's important to know that swinging doors either come on a frame, pre-hung, or they come in slabs. So here we bought pre-hung doors, and it basically comes all in. It comes with the hinges, it comes with the doors, it comes with everything kind of built in. All we have to do is paint the door and add the casings for the door, and of course paint the casings of the door as well. The number one mistake homeowners make with their doors and windows is not ordering standard sizing. Standard sizing is always easier. So let's talk about the doors. Exterior door, always 36 inches. Interior doors, whether it's gonna be 30, 32, or 36, you wanna make sure to choose your door schedule and then stick with the door schedule. So many times homeowners wanna change it, and that's not good. Once we talk about windows, windows can be made out of a lot of different materials. Whether it's vinyl, aluminum, or clad, all of these things are okay, but you wanna make sure that you order them as soon as possible. So let's talk about sizing. Sizing for the windows, 24 by 24, 36 by 36, 48 by 48. These are all really standard sizes, and they're really easy to get off the shelf if they're made out of vinyl. Once they're made out of aluminum or clad, or they're not standard sizes, they're going to take 2 weeks at minimum to get, but all the way to something like 24 weeks to order your doors and windows. I always get an email, can you bid out my project? I look at it, the windows are clad or the windows are aluminum. They're all crazy sizes. I send a quick email back, have you ordered your doors and windows? They say no, and then all of a sudden we have a 12-week waiting time for these windows. So you do not want to be behind the ball on your doors and windows. Order them ASAP. Thanks again for watching the video. If you like what you just saw, I offer a comprehensive course on how to build an ADU garage conversion as an owner builder. Just go to josephperetz.com for all your ADU needs. The course is going to save you thousands of dollars and hours of headaches. And again, remember, like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment down below anything you need for your ADU. And check out all my social media. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.